After the product is injection molded, then it will reach the packer through the assembly line. Then the workers will conduct an oil inspection and the trimming inspection. No problem. After confirming that it is correct, it will be put into a pay bag of the corresponding size. Then after the bagging is completed, a certain amount will be put into the frame, the turnover box, or we stack a certain quantity on that tray. Then carry out the protection of a whitening film. Then perform that follow-up operation for the next step